Asian Tourism Forum in Mongolia. An important event shaping the future of Asian tourism. Researchers, policymakers, and business leaders come together in one place. Together, they will discuss the development of Asian tourism and hospitality, new trends, and solutions for a sustainable future. New investment, joint projects, and new opportunities for international cooperation begin here. Mongolia, at the intersection of tradition and innovation. It's time to shape the future of Asian tourism together. Asian Tourism Forum 2026, June 11th to 13th, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia.